Okay, so this story continues now of Ocean CDR, but now we are going to talk about macro algae cultivation and carbon sequestration. Obviously, these are infographics, and Ocean Visions has got funding to implement many of these, and there are private and public players uh, attempting implementation of these solutions as well. Obviously, you will hear big news if they succeed at the scale that is needed in terms of taking out CO2 from the atmosphere, right? So let's start again here. Carbon dioxide, sunlight, photosynthesis happens. Macroalgae are cultivated in diverse offshore systems. So photosynthesis produces organic carbon, which is what we are going to use to sequester carbon into the deep ocean so that it can stay away for a long time. So harvest by ship or remotely operated vehicle can be done of taking out these things. Then you process at sea or on shore and use for long-lived carbon products. Again, could be things that are biodegradable or not. Plastics can last forever, but they have now become a pollution problem because we throw them everywhere and they split into microplastic, nanoplastic, and so on. Or you can use it for algal bioenergy with carbon capture and storage. So then that carbon captured can be sequestered underground. Again, requires life cycle analysis because you want to make sure that you are not using more energy to do all these things than you are actually saving in terms of CO2 put away. But if energy is all coming from renewables, then you are doing well because these boats consume some kind of a fuel energy that needs to be safe as well in terms of emissions. So here, intentional biomass sinking can be done, or natural biomass sinking can also happen, of course, and you have carbon sequestered in the sediments as opposed to deeper underground. So this near coast, they're of course always open to perturbations, but you can also rely on processes that keep taking it deeper and deeper into the deeper ocean where it is much more safe from perturbations, and the warming is going deeper, but hopefully not enough to perturb the sediments below 2000 meters or so, let's say. Okay, so warming has gone down to 2000 meters by now, so we have to see the impacts as well. So acidification, warming, sea level rise, all these are working together. For example, sea level rise and storms can bring more inundation and create lots of other problems. There are also uses for macroalgae. There's seaweeds. Some of them can be fed to ruminators like cows to reduce their methane emission, it turns out. So there are other uses also in addition to the bioenergy idea, and there are also ideas for eating some more of the seaweeds as well. They are healthy and so on and so forth. Okay, so again, we'll come back and look at the next topic, which is microalgae cultivation for Ocean CDR. This is even less than 4 minutes. Is that a problem? Not really. We just keep learning by having these bite-sized information on Ocean CDR. I can combine all of them and make one long podcast, but since these are nice infographics, you can stare at them easily with a shorter podcast. Okay?